Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jyoti and I create video on makeup, skincare, lifestyle and a lot more. And recently I've been doing a lot of hauls videos. So if you're interested in purchasing kurtis and maxi dresses, then you can watch this video till the end. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you Meesho haul. So I purchased few kurti sets and these are really reasonable in prices, and even the fabric is really good, so you need to definitely give this a try. So keep on watching this video till the end. First dress we have is this, and this is what it looks. This is basically a white gown, and this is what it looks, and I'm gonna open this and show how that looks. So this is what it looks. So this pure white in color. So this basically long, it's basically a maxi kind of dress, and you get a dupatta with this dress. So this is what it looks. It has like very clean thread embroidery all over this dress. Even the quality is really good. It's not thin in the fabric, it's really thick. It's really good. It's not at all see-through kind of material. So this has this kind of shape of the neck. I really love how this look and the embroidery all over the dress. So yeah. So down at this you have this kind of thread embroidery look. So this dress is in the size large, and this costed me around $12.74 in Meesho. I'll be giving the code down in the description box, you can check that out. And with this gown, I received this dupatta which looks like this. So it's basically white dupatta with this thread work. So it has like this taping. So you have this design all over the dupatta, and this is what it looks. Even the dupatta is really long, it's not at all short in dupatta side. So I really like this dress. And the next one we have is this black chikankari kurti. So this is what it looks. I really love the black georgette material. So it's basically a georgette material, and this has like a long sleeves. So I really love this. It has like a very neat embroidery look in front of the kurti. So this is what it looks. So side, it has like a slit in the side. So yeah, and this costed me around 670 rupees, and it's in the size L. So you can definitely give this a try, and I really love georgette material and this chikankari kurti. So you can give this a try. And then the next one we have is this kurti. It's basically anarkali kurti. So this is basically semi-stitched. You need to go ahead and stretch this out. So I really love this print all over. The material is also really good, so I just wanted to give this a try. And this costed me around $14.75, and it's in the size large. So I'm gonna give the insert the picture right here so you can understand the look. So yeah, this is what it looks. The material is really good. It's basically a georgette kind of material. So yeah, if you're gonna stitch this dress, then it would look really pretty and absolutely beautiful. So you can definitely give this a try. So yeah, this is what it looks. So the next kurta set we have is this, and this is what it looks. It's basically burgundy color, and it has like a very beautiful 3/4 sleeves, and it's a georgette material, so you can absolutely wear this in summer. And this is what it looks. So down at this bottom you have this peplum kind of flow, and this has like a beautiful print all over this kurta set. And the bottom wear comes with a sarara, a bottom set. So this is what it looks. So this is basically, a sarara bottom. So I really love how this looks. It gives you like, summer vibe. So it has this elastic around the waist. And this dress costed me $13.25 and it's in the size large. So if you look like me, chubby, then you can try this out in the size large, or else you can go with a size, smaller. And the last one we have is this, and this is what it looks. So this is a mandarin kind of collar, and it's basically rayon material, and it has this beautiful design around the sleeves. So it's basically 3/4 sleeves, and it's a rayon material, and this is what it looks at the down. So yeah, it's basically flared kind of dress. I really love the flared anarkali kind of dress. So yeah. And with this you get a bottom wear. So yeah, this basically simple blue bottom wear with an elastic waistband. So it has this kind of pants, and with this you get a dupatta. So this basically a normal dupatta with this taping border, and also it has this beautiful tassels. So yeah, this is what the dupatta looks like. I really love the print all over this. This dress costed me around 937 rupees, and I think for 3 set like a dupatta, pant and this beautiful kurti, 937 is really affordable, and it's in the size large, so you can definitely give this a try. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I hope you all love this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also tap the notification bell to get all the latest update. So I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.